Set them back to their original position. This is how you can do that. If they reach the end of the screen, then you have to reset the X and Y position back to start. Same for all sprites having movement. Now we have to talk about manual movement. That is the movement done by the player in the game. This is how you do it. You will start the for loop for the events and you type if the event is a key press, and if that key is the left arrow key, then you move the player to the X to the left, and if that key is a right key, then you move the player to the right. And if that event is a quit event, that means the player stops the game and quits it, then you set running equals to false. And you have to do pygame.display.update at the end of the loop, and outside the loop you have to do pygame.quit and quit.